students, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Let us today discuss few PYQs जो आपके जून 2023 पेपर में आए थे related to English literature. So this is the first question in front of you. What is the full form of MLAT? So अगर किसी को full form पता है तो you will get the marks, otherwise you won't. A very easy question. What should be the right answer? Modern language alertness test, modern language affective test, modern language aptitude test or modern language. So क्या होगा इसका right answer? Definitely D तो नहीं होगा, but बाकी तीनों में से कौन से हो सकता है? What should be the right answer? What is the full form of MLAT? So the right answer is C. Let us see what is the right answer. Modern Language Aptitude Test. So MLAT की full form क्या है? Modern Language Aptitude Test. Let us look at the next question. The first statement that you have is the book, The Life of the Drama was written by Eric Bentley. The second statement is the book, The Life of the Drama highlights the life of certain seminal 20th century dramatists. So you have to choose which is the correct answer. Are both the statements true? Both the statements are false. One is true and the other is false, or the second statement is true but the first statement is false. What should be the right answer? This is a book written by Eric Bentley, a very important drama critic, and you need to comment on the book of the drama. So वो basically उस book के बारे में क्या बात कर रहे हैं और वो book क्या है आपको पता होना चाहिए. So the right answer to this is C. C means the first statement is true but the second is false. How is it? Let us dig deeper. So the book, The Life of the Drama, yes, the book is written by this very important drama critic Eric Bentley. You need to know this. This is a given fact that you should know. This book is not talking about the lives of the seminal 20th century dramatists, but it is talking about the components of drama. ये याद रखना. वो क्या बात करते हैं? वो बात करते हैं various components that are associated with drama. जैसे कि स्टाइल क्या हो सकता है आपके ड्रामा राइटिंग का, प्लॉट क्या हो सकता है ड्रामा राइटिंग का, जॉनरा क्या हो सकता है, थ्योरेटिकल पर्सपेक्टिव दे रहा है ये. बेसिकली दिस इज अ वर्क दैट इज गिविंग यू थ्योरी ऑफ ड्रामा या थ्योरेटिकल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ ड्रामा. तो ये ड्रामेटिस्ट के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा बट थ्योरेटिकल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ ड्रामा के बारे में बात करता है. This means the second statement is wrong, but the first statement is very much true. So C becomes the right answer. Statement 1 is true, but 2 is false. Let us go further and see the third question that you have. Match the following. List provided here, list 1 and list 2. These are the various works that are given, and that is the list that is giving you the dates. Now, the first is Writing Degree 0. Methodologies, The Empire of Science and The Pleasure of the Text. So these are all the works by a very very important writer called as Roland Barthes. हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? रोलैंड बार्थ की राइटिंग्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. यू शुड ऑल इमीडिएटली कैच ऑन टू दिस कि हम लोग ये सारे टेक्स्ट किधर देख रहे हैं? रोलैंड बार्थ के टेक्स्ट देख रहे हैं. रोलैंड बार्थ इज एसोसिएटेड विद सेमियोटिक्स, स्ट्रक्चरलिज्म. ही इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट theorist. You need literary theorist that you need to study from the examination point of view, and all the works are there जो उनके ही है और उनको आपको सेट करना है in the you need to just match the following उसी के हिसाब से. So Writing Degree 0, Methodologies, The Empire of Science and The Pleasure of the Text. So what should be the right answer? I'm pretty sure you guys know about The Pleasure of the Text because it talks about the readerly and the writerly text. This is one of the most important texts that you need to know. Also try to know more about readerly and writerly text. If you already know it, comment down below. I'll surely reply. Readerly and writerly text. लेकिन ये work आता कब है? We all know that this work came out in 1973. At least you should know the most important works. So ये वर्क 1973 में आता है. इस वर्क के अंदर उन्होंने रीडरली एंड राइटरली टेक्स्ट के बारे में बात की है. देन you should also know this very important work, the Writing Degree 0. Writing Degree 0 भी बहुत important work है, लेकिन just with one you already have the right answer. Look here, D should be matched with 3. Where do you have D with 3? You already have your right answer. Then A is matched with 2. Writing Degree 0, 1953. B with 1, Mythologies is written in 1957, and then we have C, The Empire of Science in 1970. So let us see कि D right answer है या नहीं है. Yes, D becomes the right answer because we already knew that the pleasure of the text is written when it is written in 1973. So readerly and writerly text का concept already अलग से भी पूछा जा चुका है. That is also very important. Try to read more about Roland Barthes, Foucault. These are certain important theorists whom you cannot afford to leave. Let us read another question, very important again. Mention the year in which the political Shakespeare, which is edited by Alan Sinfield, have published this work. It was published in 1980, 1984, 1987 or 1985. So Jonathan Dollimore and Alan Sinfield ने ये work क्या किया है, edit किया है. This work is talking about the various works of Shakespeare from the perspective of culture materialism. You should know that. ये कब पब्लिश हुआ था? इस वर्क का नाम है पॉलिटिकल शेक्सपियर. दिस वाज एडिटेड, इट वाज पब्लिश्ड इन विच ईयर? व्हाट इज द ईयर इन विच दिस वर्क केम आउट? इन 1980, 1984, 1987 और 1985. Jonathan Dollimore as well as Alan Sinfield. So the right answer is D. The right answer is D. That is in 1985 this work was published. ये सबको याद रखना है, बहुत ही theoretical है, ये याद रखना ही पड़ेगा. किससे associated है? This work is associated with cultural materialism. All the works of Shakespeare are read and analyzed from the perspective of this very important theory called as cultural materialism. Then who among the following has written the play Angels in America? Again a little bit difficult question जिसको already आपको पता होना चाहिए इसके बारे में, otherwise the guessing work is difficult. Is it David Mamet? Is it August Wilson? Is it Sam Shepard or Tony Kushner who has written this work? Who has written this work? So this work is important. Why? Because इसको Pulitzer Prize for Drama भी मिलता है. That is why you should know all the Nobel Prize winner and the Pulitzer Prize winners. That is why I keep on telling you Man Booker Prize, Pulitzer Prize winners. इस तरीके से questions आ जाते हैं. So this is the play that is written by Tony Kushner. So Tony Kushner का ये work है. Right answer is D. He has written this work called as Angels in America. It is a 2-act play, very important. It is talking about gay and it is gay culture. It is talking about AIDS, homosexuality, etc. And it became very, very important during that time. Another question, who among the following wrote about Charlotte Bronte that her mind contained nothing but hunger, rebellion and rage? इनमें से किसने शार्लेट ब्रॉन्टे के बारे में ये वाली बात बोली है? Is it Elizabeth Gaskell, Matthew Arnold or Charles Dickens or is it Mary Shelley? Who has said this line about her? What should be the right answer? So we all know that Elizabeth Gaskell, Matthew Arnold as well as Charles Dickens are associated with the Victorian period, isn't it? So these three are associated with the Victorian period, while Mary Shelley should not be the right answer. Why? Because वो definitely उस age की ही नहीं है. So you can strike her out. At least you can, use this approach of elimination and you can strike out Mary Shelley because she is associated with the romantic movement, and definitely she is not the one who has written the biography or the works about Charlotte Bronte. Then you should also know that there is one person who has written the biography of Charlotte Bronte, and that is Elizabeth Gaskell. So the right answer should be Elizabeth Gaskell. She has written this biography on Charlotte Bronte. What is the difference between autobiography and biography? Autobiography होता है जब एक राइटर खुद अपने बारे में लिखता है. Auto खुद से लिखना. Biography is कोई और लिख रहा है. So this is a biography. This is a biography written by Elizabeth Gaskell. Elizabeth Gaskell ने किसकी biography लिखी है? Charlotte Bronte की biography लिखी है. And उस biography के अंदर she has highlighted that there was nothing in her mind except hunger, rebellion and rage. She also talked in greater detail about the problems that Charlotte Bronte faced in her life associated with her with her education, with the parents, with her the profession, and all of these things are dealt in the biography that is written by Charlotte Bronte. और वो कब आती है, that is also important. This biography came out in 1857. कब आती है? In 1857 this biography was written by Elizabeth Gaskell on Charlotte Bronte. So right answer is A. Which three of the following plays have been written by Naseem Ezekiel? We have Savaska, then Marriage Poem, Nalini, then we have Mr. Behram and Sleepwalker. So we all know the right answer. We know the right answer is D. This is a very interesting and easy question और ये काफी बार repeat already हो गया है. Marriage Poem, Nalini and Sleepwalker are the three works that are written by Naseem Ezekiel, all of them being very very important. मैरिज पोएम बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, डोमेस्टिक लाइफ के बारे में बात करती है. नालिनी इज अनदर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क दैट इज रिटन बाय हिम. नालिनी इज अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क. देन वी हैव स्लीप वॉकर्स. स्लीप वॉकर भी उनका एक वर्क है जो क्या बात कर रहा है, बेसिकली 3 एक्ट्स का वर्क है एंड कॉमेडी है और फार्सिकल तरीके से बात कर रहा है इन आयरॉनिकल सिचुएशंस अबाउट द लाइफ ऑफ पीपल. ओके, सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू शुड नो that B, C, E are the right answers. Then who proposed the idea that the mind at the time of the birth is like a blank slate or tabula rasa? We all know this answer. It's like a brownie question given to you. Of course, it is not J.S. Mill, it is not Russell, it is not Bacon who has talked about it. It is definitely John Locke who has talked about the tabula rasa, that the mind of the person was like a blank slate when you were born, and it is with the experiences. और हमारे experiences से हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सीखते रहते हैं, and our experiences shape us. So our mind when we were born were nothing but a blank slate, tabula rasa. Okay. Let us go further. Who among the following is an early Tudor poet? Geoffrey Chaucer, John Skelton, William Langland, or it is John Gower. Who is someone who is associated as a Tudor poet? Tudor poet कौन है इनमें से? Who is a Tudor poet? So basically Tudor poet is someone जो medievalism से Renaissance के बीच में लिख रहे हैं. ठीक है, so they used to travel from one place to another also, और वो basically कोर्ट से एसोसिएटेड है. सो हेनरी द 8th के एसोसिएटेड थे. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन है. ही इज जॉन स्केल्टन हु इज अ ट्यूडर पोएट. ही हैज रिटन अ नंबर ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क्स. इनका राइटिंग स्टाइल को हम स्केल्टोनिक स्टाइल कहते हैं. These are small lines that he used and they were irregular in meter. So irregular metered lines were used. Skeltonic जिसे हम कहते हैं, skeltonic lines were given by him. Skelton is the right answer. He is a Tudor poet. He is associated with Henry VIII's court. किसके कोर्ट के साथ? हेनरी दी 8th के कोर्ट के साथ एसोसिएटेड है. उनके बारे में लिख रहे थे. Skeltonic is the style. Irregular short lines were used by him. Okay, so this should be the right answer. Let us see. Yes, B becomes the right answer. Then which of the following is not a work written by Margaret Atwood? Margaret Atwood का कौन सा ये work नहीं है? The Edible Woman, The Stone Angel, Surfacing and The Handmaid's Tale. इनमें से कौन सा work Margaret Atwood का नहीं है? So we already know, we should know the right answer is B. That is The Stone Angel. The Stone Angel मनवका सीरीज की नॉवल है जो मार्गरेट लॉरेंस ने लिखी है. ठीक है, मार्गरेट एटवुड ने नहीं लिखी है, मार्गरेट लॉरेंस ने लिखी है. उनकी मनवका सीरीज के बारे में है क्या? इट इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ अ 90-year-old woman who is troubled with her old age and the way of living. मनवका सीरीज इज अ सीरीज वेयर देयर आर अ नंबर ऑफ नॉवेल्स एंड उसकी ये एक नॉवेल है द स्टोन एंजल. इट इज रिटन बाय मार्गरेट लॉरेंस, नॉट मार्गरेट एटवुड. मार्गरेट एटवुड हैज रिटन वर्क्स लाइक द एडिबल वुमन, सर्फेसिंग एंड द हैंडमेड्स टेल, बट this work, The Stone Angel, is written by whom? This is written by Margaret Lawrence. So this becomes the right answer. B is the right answer, right? So this is how questions are asked in your paper. I hope you are studying, and you will also comment down below as I asked you about the readerly and the writerly texts. I hope you will revise the various theories and the things that I pointed out, and you also like the video. I'll come up with other questions so that we practice a number of PYQs before the exam. I hope you're doing well, you enjoyed the video, and you will study. So have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.